In this video, I'm going to show you how I make the ramps. I tend to use Not Your Dope, which is in the James Reborn Modloader as well. I'm going to hit on both toggles. Most used menus, I'm going to check mark the Not Your Dope mini menu. Exit out of James Reborn to activate it. It's R1 and down on the D-pad. Now, once I'm in this menu, I will go to Object Options, Object Spawner, and then here you have your small ramp, your medium ramp, your large ramp. You can also use the large platforms to make ramps. We'll make a little two-tier ramp using the large ramp, and I will show you how to do that. First, you click on the ramp. Now, to move this ramp, you go into Object Move. You hit O, then go into Object Movement, and your X coordinate will move it back and forth. Your Y coordinate will move it left to right. Your X coordinate will move it up and down. Your pitch will move it however angle you want. Your roll will roll it. And your yaw will actually turn it. So we're going to turn it this way. Now say you want to move it a little at a time. If you change the increment, you can move it more slowly. So we're going to set this ramp down on the ground. Now if I want to add another ramp to this to make it higher, I'm going to go exit out of that with the O, hit Object Spawner. I'm going to hit the ramp again, and there's my other ramp. So I hit O, go to Object Movement, and then I can move it up, turn the yaw so it's facing the right way. I'm going to actually go up a little bit faster. So I'm going to change my increment to go to 1. Then I'm going to move it backwards. Change my increment down. I'm going to add a little bit of depth to it. And you just have to just keep on, moving things here and there. It takes a while. And there's my double ramp. And I will show you that it actually ramps. So we'll get in my T20 that I made earlier. Get a little bit of speed. Actually, I made it too steep. If that happens, what you do is you exit out of it. Go into Not Your Dope. Go into Object Options. Go into Object Movement. Make sure your aim for handle is activated. Once it's activated, you want to click on the ramp you want to move. You will see this purple line hitting it, and then you can move that ramp, just that ramp. So we're going to change the steep a little bit. It takes a while to get ramps. Now say, okay, now they're not connecting, so I want to change the other one. I make sure that purple line is aiming at the other one, and I can change that one. Sometimes you have to move around that ramp to get the good angle. And then there's my ramp. You can add as many ramps as you want to each other. There's no limit to what you can do with these ramps. You don't have to have them on top of each other. You could have them side by side. You could have them tilted, whichever way you want to do. Just practice. And you'll be making awesome ramps within no time.